If you need to quickly share your booking page, this video will show you how to find and copy your Calendly link in just a few simple steps. This is perfect whether you're sending it in an email, dropping it into a message, or adding it to your website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Calendly and how to grab the right link fast. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your scheduling options are managed. From there, look at the left sidebar and click Scheduling. This is where Calendly keeps your event types and booking options organized, so this is the section you'll want anytime you need to find a shareable link. After you open Scheduling, you'll see the event you want to share. This might be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, a discovery call, or any other booking page you've created. Open the event you want to share so you can access its details. This step is important because Calendly can have multiple event types and each one can have its own unique link depending on what you're offering. Once the event is open, look for the Copy Link button. This is the fastest way to grab your Calendly booking link without manually selecting or typing anything. Click Copy Link and Calendly will copy the scheduling link to your clipboard automatically. At that point, the link is ready to paste wherever you need it. Now, you can paste the link into an email, a direct message, a social media bio, a website button, or anywhere else you want people to book time with you. If you're sharing it with clients or customers, it's a good idea to test the link first to make sure it opens the correct booking page. That way, you know everyone is being sent to the right event. And that's it. You've now found and copied your Calendly link in just a few clicks. This is one of the easiest ways to make scheduling smoother and save time when you're booking meetings online. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.